The big question in the auto sector is that what is going to be the future of technology, what is going to be the future of transportation, that it helps to achieve zero emission by year 2050. And the answer, the possible answer to the big question is this sedan that we are standing right beside with. This is Toyota Mirai. The Japanese car maker Toyota has made this sedan. Name is Mirai, and this is possibly the answer that what is going to be the future of auto sector. The main feature of this car is that it runs on hydrogen fuel, and how the entire system works. So for hydrogen to convert it into energy, it needs oxygen, and for this purpose over here, if you see, this sedan has got a large front grille from where it takes the oxygen. Now this oxygen is then passed on to the fuel cell system. Inside the car there is purposely built tank, the hydrogen tank. From there the hydrogen is pumped in, it mixes with the oxygen, it then goes to the fuel system where it creates a chemical reaction, and that chemical reaction leads to the generation of power or electricity, and with the help of that power or electricity, this car really works. So this is sort of a system where hydrogen is being used, and that hydrogen is for sure creating a zero emission target. Now another important feature is that what it actually emits. Now interestingly, the car emits only water vapor. That is the best part of this technology, that usually if you see petrol, diesel, the carbon emission is quite high. But over here in the hydrogen cell based technology, the emission is just water vapor. Now this Mirai, which was launched in the year 2014, it is the second generation. It has been improved on various parameters. The first parameter is being the range. Now this car can actually run up to 650 kilometers of range, that is being set by the company Toyota. Another important feature is that the refueling of hydrogen. So it is being claimed that the refueling could be done in the range of just 5 to 10 minutes. So these are a couple of interesting things. And if you see the comparison, so in electric vehicles, usually it takes more than 30 minutes or even up to 1 to 2 hours to charge the electric vehicle. But over here, the refueling could be done in just a few minutes. It has a long range of more than 600 kilometers. So that is the reason that this car or the hydrogen cell based transportation system is being promised as the future of auto sector, where the emission is just water vapor.